Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the experiment of molecular biology, that is DNA extraction from the banana cells. For this experiment, the materials required are filter paper, beaker, funnel, a polythene bag, banana, glass rod, knife, chilled ethanol, and liquid dish detergent. All these are the requirements or the materials required for this experiment. First of all, we have to peel the banana completely. After peeling that banana, we will chop it into small slices. As you can see, we have chopped the banana into thin slices. Now these slices, we will pour them into the polythene bag. As we have to crush them, we have to mash these banana slices completely. So we will start mashing them with the use of our palm. And while mashing them, we have to take care that there should be no air in this poly bag. If there will be air, then poly bag will blast due to that air pressure. So we have to smash those banana slices completely. There should be no lump, because if there will be lump, then it will not mixed with the materials that we are going to use further. As you can see, we have mashed all the slices. We have blended all the slices completely. This blending is actually degrading the cell wall and the membranes, and this allow the DNA or the other cell organelles to come out. We are not blending it for long time, otherwise the DNA fibers will also break down. Now we are going to pour liquid dish detergent in this. About 20 ml of liquid dish detergent we are going to add in this. This detergent addition will be an exothermic reaction. This detergent and the heat treatment will degrade the membrane of phospholipids and proteins. Because of this detergent, the plasma membrane will degrade out and DNA will be released in the suspension. Now we have to mix that complete liquid detergent with the mashed banana. Now in this solution where we have mixed the liquid detergent with the banana mesh, we are pouring the salt solution. This is NaCl. Now in this solution, after pouring the NaCl solution, we have to mix that suspension completely. This salt is actually giving the positively charged sodium ions, which will shield the negatively charged DNA, and the DNA molecules will be easily precipitate out of the solution. That's why we are adding the salt in it. Now in this solution that we have, where we have mixed NaCl, liquid soap detergent and banana mesh, we are going to filter it with the help of funnel, filter paper, double layered filter paper we are using, and we are going to filter it, and we will collect the filtrate from this solution. As you can see, we are pouring it into the funnel so that filtrate can be obtained in the beaker. It will take some time to get filtrate. All the filtrate we will collect from where we will isolate the DNA. Now you can see, as we have taken the filtrate in the small beaker, this filtrate will be collected from that solution of banana mesh, detergent and salt. We have collected the filtrate. Now in this filtrate, we are going to add chilled ethanol. Please remember, the ethanol should be chilled because that chilled condition, that low temperature will prevent the breakdown of DNA fragments. That's why we are using chilled ethanol. And we are using ethanol as we add the ethanol from the wall side. You can see the precipitate or alcohol, clear alcohol layer will precipitate upside. And in the upper alcohol layer only, you can see the clear thread-like structures of DNA filament. I hope you can see. Now the filaments of DNA, they are formed in the alcohol layer. These thread-like structures, these white thread-like structures, they are of DNA. These white thread-like structures are of DNA. So this is how we have isolated or extracted out DNA from the banana cells. Now in this experiment, precautions that we have to take care that the banana should be freshly taken. The mesh that we are using for taking out the filtrate, it should be freshly prepared, and the temperature should be low. We have to maintain low temperature condition. Now you can see on the glass rod, these threads, these white threads are of DNA. These are the DNA filaments which are precipitate in the upper clear layer of ethanol. Ethanol helps in making the PPT of the DNA fragments. So that's all in this experiment. Thank you for all. Namaskar.